The big question that I'll leave you with is meditation, and it's, do I sign up for level 3 workshop? Do I sign up for certification? And just remember, don't sign up for both. When you sign up for the certification, it includes the cost of the workshop. It's all inclusive. If you sign up for the workshop and then decide to join the certification, don't pay double. Make sure to email me for the code to deduct the $9.95 that you invested. Okay, it's all inclusive, so check the details before entering. Okay. Do you want to meditate with me? Below, you'll find a free gift, which is an EFT tapping meditation that helps you just connect to your inner wisdom to help you see if you're making this decision based on FOMO and scarcity and not enoughness, or if you're making this decision because 6 months from now, you'll feel so equipped, so grateful, so like a sense of belonging and community that you've traveled with truly a soul family over 6 months, tapping through your stuff, learning to equip others to tap through their stuff, breaking cycles. If that feels deeply sacred, like this is your legacy, that's the place you're enrolling from. So I have a beautiful EFT tapping meditation for you. Just enter your email. You'll get a page with the audio on it. You'll also get a printable of all of these questions if you like to read the curriculum. And I hope that that really serves you and sets the stage for what this program is. We are a family. It's why I take a small number of 12 people on this ride. And if you enter your email below, you'll be the first to know if there's like 3, 2, 1 spots left. You'll also be the first to know if there's any early bird bonus calls, which there are. There's definitely some bonus tapping calls and bonus everything. So do you want one workshop? Do you want the certification? Do you want it now or next year? If I teach it next year, listen to that meditation and let your heart and highest self answer. Don't try to think it through from a place of FOMO or fear.